Hey there, friends. Thanks for checking in. What you're looking at here is a Grand Power Excalibur and the Q100. I have been a fan of Grand Power for a while now, and I love owning these two handguns along with the Streebog. I think they're outstanding firearms, and many people aren't aware of how many guns Grand Power actually makes. So I invited Graham Baates from GB Guns on here to feature some of his Grand Power handguns. He's a huge fan as well. He has so many more than I do. So let's get him on here, and then I'll be curious to know which ones you like the most.
We're doing this co-op video, which is pretty cool. Very special opportunity for us to be on the Firearm Guy's channel. I've got my pile of Grand Powers here. Want to go over them and tell you which is my favorite. So Grand Powers, if you're not familiar with them, are most known for their rotating barrel. See that there? That helps keep a lower bore axis. Also helps reduce the torquing and doesn't give you as sharp of a recoil because there isn't that locking and unlocking happening like on the Browning style action that most handguns have. This is the K100. This is by far my favorite. I'll get to this in a minute after clearing out the rest of these. K22S, very Bird 92 looking at 22, makes for a very lightweight slide. So it runs just about everything and has the same Grand Power feel. All Grand Powers are completely ambidextrous, meaning all your controls are on both sides of the gun. Same thing I like about them because I'm actually left-handed. I shoot right-handed on video, but I like to practice left-handed as well. This is the P40 in 10 mil, big honkin' beast, but that rotating barrel helps tame some of that recoil of the 10 millimeter. P11, this is a carry gun of mine. This is a shorter, more compact version. Doesn't have the interchangeable back straps of the bigger guns, but still has completely ambidextrous controls, safety and decock, and you get, I believe, 13 or 15 rounds in this magazine. Only challenge with that was finding holsters. The Q100, you might notice, is Bob there. This is a striker fired model. No external safety aside from the dingus in the trigger. Trigger on mine, a little different, but this was also a very, very early production of them. I know it's changed, and they also now have a more compact version of these. The CP380, straight blowback, no rotating barrel, because it's 380. So it's just like the P11, but in chambered in 380, but dimensionally it's the same, so you get the same full grip, and it's nice to have a double stack, full size hold on a 380. The Excalibur, this is their flagship model. Mine has seen better days. I used the snot out of this thing for years. You've got big, large paddles for your safety. No decock because it's a competition model. And that barrel is beautiful. Giant fluted barrel. Now you can see I can't drop it. But long sight radius, 5-inch barrel. And then of course, Streebog is everybody's recent favorite pistol. This is based off a subgun design that they have in Europe, in semi-auto only, of course, for us in the US, but you still have your ambient controls. Side release, mag release, safety on both sides. A shorter overall length with a longer barrel than the Scorpion. More compact, delivering more energy, better gun. So back to that K100. The K100 is more duty sized. We've got a full size mag. I want to say 15, maybe 17 rounds. You can check on the internet for the numbers. Safety with single action, or not a decock on this one. Some of them have decock. But that rotating barrel is super smooth. Takedown's a little different on these guys. Some people get confused by it. You've got to hold on to the trigger guard, pull down on the tabs, and the slide actually comes off the back edge, up and over, like that. But now you can see that beautiful cam surface that makes the rotating barrel action happen. That rolls on this roller right here. It's pretty neat. Steel chassis inside, which of course SIG made popular, but Grand Power had been doing it for years. Keeps those triggers super crisp and tight, and everything in line. There's no flexing in the frame that is going to cause any disruption to the way the gun functions. Love these things. I hope this has piqued your interest in some Grand Power. We've got full reviews on all of these guns over on the GB Guns channel, and now I'll turn it back to Dan.
So there it is, guys. Grand Power Firearms. They really are amazing. And I look forward to owning more, reviewing more, and enjoying more Grand Powers in the future. If you like videos like this, please subscribe and share. I always appreciate thumbs up button. Thanks for watching, and you guys be safe.